A woman's clinic in Fort Worth says it resumed performing abortions today. And this, of course, just one day after a federal judge in Austin temporarily halted this controversial Texas act. Jack Fink is in the CBS DFW studio with us to talk about what that means right now and actually what might be next as we look ahead with all of this. Jack?
Well, Doug, the federal judge's order temporarily halts all civil lawsuits filed against abortion providers in Texas and requires state courts and clerks not to accept any new lawsuits. Texas is appealing to the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals, and the U.S. Supreme Court may be asked again to get involved, something justices decided against last month.
Today, we have a huge victory.
Whole Woman's Health CEO is celebrating after the federal judge issued the temporary restraining order against the Texas Heartbeat Act, saying from the moment SB 8 went into effect, women have been unlawfully prevented from exercising control over their lives in ways that are protected by the Constitution. Under the law, doctors can't perform abortions once cardiac activity is detected, which can be as early as 6 weeks when many women don't know they're pregnant. After the ruling, Whole Woman's Health said it called clients to come in today.
We are proud to have been part of this case. We are proud to do our part to lead the resuming of care in Texas. We have reopened.
Jonathan Covey of Texas Values criticized the judge's ruling.
I mean, it's not surprising. It's not unexpected that an Obama-appointed judge would come up with bogus reasons for putting an injunction on the heartbeat bill at this point.
The state of Texas is appealing to the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals, which could issue a stay on the federal judge's ruling, meaning the state law would be back in effect. The U.S. Justice Department, which sued the state, could file an emergency request for the U.S. Supreme Court to intervene.
And then see whether things have changed in the last month such that the Supreme Court is willing to intervene.
We believe that even if it makes it to the Supreme Court, that life will be upheld.
Whole Woman's Health CEO says some providers are still being cautious.
The staff are being surveilled constantly, from the protesters on our sidewalks to fake patients our opposition has been sending into our clinics.
The legal danger to Whole Woman's Health and others resuming abortions is that they could face civil lawsuits retroactively if the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals places a stay on the lower court judge's ruling. Planned Parenthood said today it's still assessing the situation and that it could be days or weeks to take new patients. Doug?
All right, Jack Fink, thank you so much.